What if I told you, most couples don't break up because of one huge fight? It's not the screaming match that ends it, it's the little arguments. The way you fight. The words you can't take back. And here's the truth, you will fight. Every couple does. The question is, will those fights make you stronger, or tear you apart? Meet Sarah and James. Married for 6 years. They love each other, deeply. But last week, an argument about money spiraled into something bigger. It started small, a credit card bill, a few late charges. But within minutes, voices rose. Words sharpened. James said something he didn't mean. Sarah slammed the door. And the silence that followed hurt more than the yelling. This is where so many couples get stuck. Because it's never just about the money, or the dishes, or who forgot to pick up the kids. It's about how we fight. And if we're not careful, one argument leaves scars that never heal. So, how do you fight without destroying your relationship? Here are 7 hacks every couple needs to know. Simple, but powerful. And you can start using them today. Hack 1, hit pause, not play. When voices rise, hit pause. Walk away for a few minutes. Breathe. Let your body calm down. Because once adrenaline takes over, no one's listening, they're just reacting. Hack 2, attack the problem, not the person. Say, we need to fix this bill issue. Not, you're so irresponsible. See the difference? One opens the door, the other slams it shut. Hack 3, use I statements. Instead of, you never listen. Say, I feel unheard when you look at your phone while I'm talking. It shifts the blame and invites empathy. Hack 4, no name calling, ever. Words can't be unsaid. Even if you apologize, insults echo. Set a rule, no name calling. No matter what. Hack 5, listen to understand, not to win. Most arguments aren't about victory, they're about being heard. So, instead of planning your comeback, try listening. Repeat what your partner said, so you're upset because. It shows you value their feelings. Hack 6, set a time limit. Don't argue into the night until you're exhausted. Agree on a time limit. After 30 minutes, if it's not solved, pause and return later. Fresh minds solve better problems. Hack 7, end with connection. After the argument, don't just walk away. End with a hug, or a simple I love you. It reminds both of you, the relationship is bigger than the fight. Fighting doesn't mean your marriage is broken. It means you're human. But when you learn to fight fair, arguments become stepping stones. They stop being weapons, and start becoming bridges. Because real love isn't about avoiding conflict. It's about learning how to walk through it, together. If this helped you, share it with your partner. Because sometimes, the right words at the right time, change everything. And if you want more simple marriage hacks like this, subscribe to Strong Marriage Secrets. One click today could mean one less fight tomorrow.